Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, where we help you transform your outdoor spaces into personal paradises. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Today we're diving into a topic that many of you have asked about: how to create a stunning small patio flower garden. If you're living in an apartment, a condo, or just have a cozy outdoor nook, this video is for you. We're going to transform those limited spaces into vibrant, blooming havens. So let's get started. So, what exactly do we mean when we talk about a small patio flower garden? Essentially, it's about maximizing a compact outdoor area, like a balcony, a tiny backyard patio, or even a front stoop, to grow beautiful flowering plants. It's not about having sprawling garden beds. Instead, it's about smart design and utilizing containers, vertical spaces, and clever arrangements to bring nature and color into your limited space. Think of it as a miniature landscape, carefully curated to provide beauty and enjoyment without needing acres of land. It's about creating an intimate, personal outdoor retreat right outside your door. Now, why should you bother creating a small patio flower garden? The benefits are abundant and truly enhance your quality of life. Firstly, it brings nature closer to home. Even a small splash of greenery and colorful blooms can significantly reduce stress and improve your mood. Imagine sipping your morning coffee surrounded by fragrant flowers, pure bliss. Secondly, it adds incredible curb appeal and aesthetic value to your home. A well-designed patio garden instantly makes your space feel more inviting and cared for. Thirdly, it's a fantastic creative outlet. You get to choose your plants, arrange them, and watch your vision come to life. It's a living art project. Finally, it can be incredibly rewarding. Nurturing plants, seeing them grow, and enjoying their beauty provides a sense of accomplishment and connection to the natural world. Plus, it's much easier to maintain than a large garden, making it perfect for busy individuals or beginner gardeners. Decorating a small patio flower garden to look beautiful is all about strategic choices and creating visual interest. First, think about your containers. Don't just stick to plain plastic. Opt for a variety of materials like terracotta, glazed ceramic, metal, or even repurposed items. Mix and match shapes and sizes to add dynamism. Grouping containers of different heights creates a lush, layered look. Next, consider vertical gardening. Wall planters, hanging baskets, and trellises for climbing plants are game changers for small spaces, drawing the eye upward and maximizing your planting area. Don't forget about garden furniture. Choose pieces that fit the scale of your patio, like a bistro set or a comfortable armchair, and add colorful cushions or outdoor rugs to tie everything together. Lighting is also key. String lights, solar lanterns, or even a few candles can create a magical ambience in the evenings. Finally, add decorative accents like small statues, wind chimes, or a water feature to personalize your space and add character. Remember to choose a cohesive color palette for your flowers and decor to create a harmonious feel. When choosing plants for a compact space, focus on varieties that thrive in containers and offer long-lasting visual impact without becoming overgrown. For sun-drenched patios, geraniums and petunias are classic choices because they bloom prolifically all season long and come in a dazzling array of colors. If your patio is more shaded, begonias and impatiens will brighten up the corners with their vibrant hues and lush textures. To add vertical interest without taking up floor space, consider climbing plants like mandevilla or black-eyed Susan vine, which can be trained up a small trellis. For those who love fragrance, lavender and sweet alyssum are wonderful additions that attract pollinators while keeping the air smelling sweet. Don't forget to incorporate foliage-heavy plants like coleus or caladiums to provide architectural interest and color, even when flowers aren't in peak bloom. By selecting a mix of upright thrillers, spreading fillers, and cascading spillers, you can create a professional-looking arrangement in even the smallest of pots. Creating a small patio flower garden is one of the most rewarding ways to personalize your home, and find a little peace in your daily routine. It proves that you don't need a massive backyard to be a gardener or to enjoy the beauty of nature. With just a few well-chosen pots, a handful of colorful blossoms, and a bit of creativity, you can turn a plain concrete slab into a sanctuary that reflects your personality. Remember, gardening is a journey of experimentation, so don't be afraid to try new color combinations or swap out plants as the seasons change. Your tiny patio has huge potential, and I can't wait to see how you bring it to life. If you enjoyed these tips on small space gardening, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Garden Decor Designs for more weekly inspiration. I'd love to hear from you. Comment below and tell me what flowers you're planning to grow on your patio this year, or share a photo of your progress on Instagram and tag us. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss a new project. Happy gardening, and I'll see you in the next video.